Here is the packaging, which I feel is quite beautiful, by the way. Packaging for this, and I'm going to show you what's inside of here, and then I'm going to put it on the wall. First thing out is our mounting plate. It's a VESA 200 by 200 mounting plate. I'm going to have my lovely assistant Dan Wiebe put this on the back of the screen while I cover the rest of the mount. I mentioned dual mode. This particular product comes out of the box in what's called an on-wall configuration. You can mount it directly on the wall. This housing will cover up anything you might see, a nice bezel, trim ring. You can also remove this housing and do an in-wall install. That's the second mode, and I'm going to do that here in just a minute or two. All the necessary hardware to mount this piece. The pieces that'll go onto the wall, the pieces that'll go onto the screen. We've got them all labeled and individually packaged, so it's easy for you as an installer to get this on the wall as quickly as possible. Finalizing what's in the box, we obviously have a registration card. We have a detailed instruction guide. Go through that, multiple languages, of course. And another key to our install component is the template. This is a double-sided template. Well, why would we do double-sided? Anybody got any idea why we do double-sided? It's a dual mode mount. You want to do on-wall, it's one way. You want to do in-wall, it's the other.
Keep that template?
Yep, I need this template. So, you ready to put this thing in the wall?
Yeah.
All right, I didn't hear you. You ready to put this thing in the wall? Stud finder, just like anything else you'd find, and a Sharpie. See if I can find the studs on this wall. About there. And come on. Don't you love technology? Let's go, here we go. No, it wasn't there. That was just the thing setting itself up. Come on. There we go. All right. Wow, scared me there for a minute. I thought it wasn't going to work. All right, template. The template has some sticky surfaces on it. I've already removed that. And I'm going to line this up with the marks I made. Just going to tack it down using my level. I'm going to level this piece as best I can. There we go. Whoops. Simply mark it right where the holes are. All right, that's pretty easy. The template's done. Nothing up my sleeve, but here comes the dangerous part. Please step back, put your safety glasses on. I'm going to cut this drywall. Our trim bezel makes it so that this cut doesn't have to be exact and precise, but you do want to make sure you go all the way to the studs. Ready? Oh, you missed it. All right, let me get this out of here. A quick test fit. Here's the piece that's been reconfigured for an on-wall or an in-wall installation. It does have an indication of up, so you know which way it's going to go in. Also notice the ArmGlide. Ooh, isn't that nice? Goes left and right, so you can center that screen wherever you want. It will then nest itself very flat back in against the wall. Let's test fit, see what happens. Not bad. Drill some holes. Now I'm going to put the lag screws in. New battery, Dan.
Check that.
I know. I know. Screws. Screws. Thank you. Okay, I haven't quite tightened these up all the way because I just want to check level one more time. It is level, so let's tighten it down. This drill has a problem. There we go. Okay, and I'll review with you again the anodized finish that we have. Our cable management can travel through this channel and into the back through there, so you can get all your cables through there and mount your TV without any issues there. Again, glide left, glide right. Bezel to cover up any of the dirty work that I might have done. There we go. Now you get a look at the TV that you could possibly win. It's a Samsung 32-inch LED, brand new, latest technology TV, and you could possibly win this if you've entered our drawing, and I hope you have. Taking advantage of another feature of an OmniMount is lift and lock. You lift the TV, you place it on, and you lock it in. Could it get any easier? Thank you, Dan. I'm going to secure this on the back. The mount itself is a capacity of 75 pounds. And folks, there you have it. The installation of an OmniMount P75, LED P75, right there. What do you think?